In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp email. Before we dive in, let's set the stage for what ClickUp's email integration can do for you. The Email Click app is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to manage your email communication directly from within ClickUp, seamlessly combining your project management and correspondence. This makes it easier to keep track of everything in one place without constantly switching between different applications. To begin using email in ClickUp, you'll first want to navigate to the App Center. You can do this by heading over to your settings and selecting Click Apps. This is essentially the hub where you can explore various integrations and features that ClickUp has to offer. Once inside the App Center, you'll look for the Email Click app. It's here where you can enable the feature, unlocking new potentials within your ClickUp workspace. When you find the Email Click app, go ahead and activate it. This action will open up a lot of possibilities for email integration, making it a centralized component of your workflow. You have the choice to apply the Email Click app to all of your spaces or just specific ones. This flexibility means you can tailor your experience so that email integration is used precisely where it will benefit you the most. Maybe you want to use it for client communications in one space or team updates in another. The choice is entirely yours. It's important to mention that not everyone within ClickUp can use this Email Click app. Your role within ClickUp must be eligible to activate and use the email feature. Specifically, it's crucial to note that guests are unable to use the Email Click app. If you are a guest, you will not have access to this feature, and you might need to request a role change from your administrator if you require this functionality. To wrap things up, integrating email into ClickUp not only simplifies your communication, but also boosts productivity by allowing you to manage emails where you manage your tasks. This seamless integration offers a streamlined workflow, centralizing your correspondence and task management. By following these steps, you'll enhance how you handle emails, making your workspace more efficient and organized. I hope this guide has provided you with a clear understanding of how to activate and personalize your use of the Email Click app in ClickUp. Whether you're looking to enhance team collaboration or improve project transparency, integrating emails into your ClickUp workspace is a game changer. Thanks for watching, and I encourage you to explore this dynamic feature fully.